Alright, thank you, Mr. DJ. Thank you. That was Bonner Boy. And Bonner Boy is actually doing very great music on those. And we're talking about music, right? Scripta, so tell us about the name. It's very striking. When we talk about Scripta, we are looking at so many things. When we talk about scripts, first of all, sounds like a guy who writes his own music and does his own music, writes and sings his own music. So do you write your music?
Yes, I write all my music from the start of my music career till now.
Oh, that's great. So what informed the decision to take up the name Scripta? Does it have any special meaning?
Actually, Scripta is an abbreviation of my qualities. The SCRIP stands for scripted. Then the T stands for potential, while the T stands for talented, while the S stands for assist.
That's quite a rich name. So tell us what genre of music do you do?
Actually, I'm into afrobeat and R&B.
Wow.
And I play the guitar also.
Oh, more like a Sheeran. Alright, so how long have you been doing music?
I've been into music for like 10 years now.
10 years.
So at first, my parents didn't actually support it. So it was a very tough. I know that when one day they might see me, but it was a very tough mission for me. Because actually my parents, they are a pastor in the church. So I'm actually into secular music. And normally as parents, they will expect your child to like and go into gospel music, sing gospel music. So but I was like not into that gospel. So but actually I do music.
Alright, so before we get into asking you some other things, I'd like to find out your real name.
My name is Samuel Danjoichi. So I'm from the States.
So you went far from your real name to achieving Scripta as your stage name.
Yeah, yes sir. But actually my name is Sam Denton Scripta. That's the name itself.
Sam Denton Scripta. How is it related?
Samuel then Danjuma to join together with bodies.
Alright, Scripta, so let's get to know how you got to meet Elegant Empire. How did you hear about the Afromusic talent?
Actually, I met Elegant Empire on my Instagram page. But actually, all my life is on social media. If you want to look for me, you see everything I've done from the start of my music career. So I saw ads, and I saw Elegant Empire, Afro music. So I was like, please, let me try it. But actually, I've never gone for a competition before. This is my first time. So I was like, let me give myself a try. Because all this time I've been building myself, trying to figure out a new gen for myself. So I just clicked on it and it directed me to the person to contact.
Did you have some sort of confidence in the outlets you saw about Elegant Empire, or did you think it's one of those things out there who probably want to take something from you and never give in return?
Actually, me in person, I'm a risker. I risk a lot. I risk things. I don't. Although the thought will come to me not to do, but I just go into things. So I believe I'm someone that believes in something inside. That's one thing.
So before we talk about how you've seen the Elegant Empire now that you've been tested, how did you feel about the outcome of the competition?
The competition, it improved me because I've never been into a competition with people before. I've never wanted to like this guy is a see, this guy don't beat me. I will take on push back my return. So I don't have this competition because this actually boosted me, and I saw that I'm not the only one.
Great.
And there are a lot of good people that are very good, and I believe it's not all about talent itself. Just with extra support, fan base, let's say everything like that.
Alright, so you've come in now, you've been tested, and you've probably seen the capacity of Elegant Empire. Are your expectations met, or what are still your expectations about Elegant Empire?
My expectation firstly, I want to be heard. So, secondly, I want that dream of being at the top and looking at it.
Fine, particularly, what do you say? You've experienced the content about Elegant Empire. What do you say? What can you say about Elegant Empire in the long run?
Elegant Empire is real. They are real with everything they do.
So, in the next 5 years, you intend to be something. Where do we see you in the next 5 years?
I would have been chilling with celebrities.
Big dreams!
And I also be someone who also works with money. And also want to be like money.
Great. So, do you expect anything from Elegant Empire now that you're part of the Elegant Empire's management? What exactly do you expect from Elegant Empire?
I expect Elegant Empire to just push me to achieve
We show them to do that.
So that's what now.
Alright, tell us what you have for those watching you out there. There are up and coming artists who are right there looking forward and to probably being encouraged by your stance right now. So what do you have for them?
What I have for upcoming artists back here is that whatever you are doing in life, don't hear what people are saying. First of all, talk to yourself. Is this what you love? Or is this not what you love? Don't be confused. Just keep on doing what you are doing.
Consistent.
And keep on praying. God is also part of any success in life.
Alright, thank you very much. Thank you. So, to your fans out there, many of them would want to contact you, many of them would want to relate. Some of them would even want to invite you to shows and all of that. So, how do they contact you? How do they reach out to you? Are there social media handles you'd like to share with them?
On my Instagram page, I'm known as Scripta. While on my Facebook page, Scripta. On my TikTok, Scripta.
So, thank you very much, viewers. That was congratulations for being one of the contestants here. We'd like to have you some other time.